It is pie season, so I made this delicious apple pie. I started by grating my apples. I added vanilla sugar, some normal sugar, and cinnamon to my filling. Gave that a good stir and put it aside. For the dough, I added flour, sugar, butter, and an egg to a bowl. Mixed everything together and started kneading my dough. While kneading, I added some more flour. Then I placed my dough in a bowl and put it in the fridge to let it rest for 30 minutes. I oiled my oven pan and started rolling out my dough. Once the dough is fully rolled out, it's ready to be placed in your baking pan. Then I cut off the overlapping dough and placed my filling in the middle. I made sure to spread my filling. Next, I rolled out the leftover dough and started cutting stripes. Then I placed my stripes on top of the pie and put in the oven for about 30 minutes. And you're left with a delicious apple pie. Happy recreating and enjoy!